Students, and welcome to the first lesson about Python. You might ask yourself, why learn Python? Well, it's a very well-known language. Its syntax and format are easier than other programming languages. It's used many places in the world, in companies and businesses, and at university. And it's very easy to find resources and materials to support your learning on the internet and other places. For all these reasons, I recommend we start with Python. Now, we'll be using Python not only by itself, but to support our learning of math, because we can use Python to reinforce math concepts. In addition, both programming, such as with Python or any programming language, and mathematics cannot be learned by simply watching. You need to try them and practice them to become good at them. In this first lesson, we're going to focus on basic arithmetic. That's adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. We need to learn the symbols for those in Python. The plus sign for addition, the dash or hyphen for subtraction, the asterisk for multiplication, and the forward slash for division. In addition, brackets will help us with grouping things together. We'll learn these symbols and the order of operations for Python. Let's get started. To get started, go and open your browser, Chrome or another browser, and type in jupyter.org/try. That's jupyter.org/try, and hit enter. Then click on Jupyter Lab. It may take a few moments to start. Sometimes it can be a little slow. It's still starting. Please be patient. Almost there. There we go. When your display looks like this, go ahead and close these extra tabs that we don't need. This one will warn you about closing with unsaved changes. Just say OK. Then you'll have the Launcher tab. Go down to the middle of the screen where it says Console and click on Python 3. Your console for Python will start. A console is a little bit like a calculator. Your entry is at the bottom, where you type will be down here. It's important to remember you need to press Shift-Enter to send things to the console. That's holding down the Shift key and pressing Enter. So for example, we can do 2 plus 3, Shift-Enter, and we get 5. I can do 12 minus 6. Let's do actually 12 minus 8. Shift-Enter, we see 4. I can do 3 asterisk 5. Shift-Enter, where 3 times 5 is 15. I can do 20 /2. Shift-Enter gives me 10. I can use brackets like 2 asterisk open bracket. Notice when I do the open bracket, I actually wind up with open and close brackets right away. It does that for you because it knows if you open a bracket, you're going to need to close it. So there I get 2 times bracket 4 plus 3, close bracket, so I get 14 because that's 2 times 7. Notice also that spaces do not matter. I can do 4 plus, and then many spaces, 5, Shift-Enter, and I get 9. At least for this, spaces don't matter. Okay, in the description of the video, you'll find a link to a PDF file with some exercises that are just like this. Practice, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Good luck. Bye-bye.